Hey everybody, Shane here from Heads and Tails. Today we're going to be talking about shedding, regurgitation, and finally the giveaway. So about shedding, this little guy went through a shed, and as long as you got the humidity correct, he had a wonderful shed. All one piece, looked really good. I'm really happy with it. He's looking really nice today. And another thing as far as regurgitation goes, be careful with your snake's handling after you feed them. Usually you want to stay away from 48 to 72 hours after you feed them. That way they have time to digest. Also make sure that they have plenty of heat in their enclosure, because if they do not have enough heat, they will not be able to digest. So not enough heat, stressing out your snake by handling it or something like that right after feeding, that's usually a good way to get your snake to regurgitate. And let me tell you something, when a snake regurgitates, it smells horrible. So as far as that goes, not a big deal if it does regurgitate. It happens every now and then, but you do want to wait the whole week or whatever cycle you're already on for feeding the snake. Wait that cycle to try to refeed them. Don't refeed them right away. Ball pythons can fast for quite some time without getting sickly or anything like that. So that's a cool thing. Man, T'Challa is just looking awesome today. What do you guys think? If you guys haven't entered the giveaway, please do so now. Enter the giveaway. You won't get Ned or T'Challa, but you will get a pretty cool snake. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.